Oh my gosh, guys. Look at my Robux. I just bought a ton of Robux. And I've been wanting this for so long. I think I'm... wait, guys. Guys, we're going to buy it. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I just bought it. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Yo. What? Can I buy anything new in the catalog? Oh my gosh. Holy. Dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't have it equipped yet, but I need it. Yes. Oh my gosh. Equipped. Oh, we need to equip the pet. Yo. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just jump down here, I guess, guys. Oh my gosh. That is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, guys. This is going... I'm going so fast. I am going so fast. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Oh man. This is crazy fast. Oh my gosh. Okay then. Let's go ahead and buy that. Open crates. Let's open it. Alright, hot purple. I already own that. But let's buy this. Oh my gosh. I already have a ton of sand. Come on. Oh my gosh. I just can't believe it. I already have enough for rebirth. You guys can't hear it, but I can. Because my screen recorder, it doesn't, Screencast-O-Matic doesn't do its thingy-majig. I'm gonna stay here for now until the thing resets. So, wow. I just can't believe we just bought it. Okay, guys. What's here? Can I buy anything? Oh, no. Okay, that sucks. But, what about, like, jailbreak? No, I can't. That's cars. Yeah, I can't. What can I buy? What about, can I buy anything in Row Citizens? I don't really want anything in here. So, I'm gonna turn off the mic for a second. I was just talking to my brother, guys. Holy cow, I have 9 rebirths already. This is so gosh dang crazy. I can't believe it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Can I buy anything in Vehicle Simulator? Oh yay. I really want that actually. No, actually I don't. No, I'm not buying it. Yo, I don't know. Oh, I'm just so excited right now. Okay, I bet we can rebirth again. Hold on. Plus, I could buy like this, but I don't need that because I have a freaking black hole. 10 rebirths. Oh my gosh, guys, how much is 1 sand worth? I remember it used to be worth like, I think like 25. Oh no, 40. Oh, 60 now? Holy cow. Okay. Boing. Equipped it. Pets. Boing. Equipped it. Oh my gosh. Ah! I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's go ahead and buy something. Hold on. I need to talk to my parents so fast. Okay, I'm back, guys. My mom was just talking to me. So I don't know what to buy, guys. Oh man, this is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Let's buy something. Wait, the neighborhood Roblox, yeah. Oh wow. Should I buy like that and extra vehicle slots? No. No, I hate Dennis. Oh my gosh, that was so gay. Okay. Okay. Roblox. Oh, okay then. Alright. All creators. Maximum 153. Packages. Go over there. Oh, I probably have oh my gosh, I have a ton of sand. He thinks he's better than me? You're never going to be better than me. Okay, let's rebirth. Guys, this game is so easy now. This is like the easiest game in the world when you have the black hole. Pets. Equipped. Okay, let's just go right here. So, I don't really want any of those. Let's see. All featured items. Actually, all featured faces. I want a face. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. I rebirthed a few times without you guys. And, yeah. I rebirthed without you guys, so I'm just going to say it right now. Okay. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. I was saying in my head, wait, is that the fanny pack magical? Yeah. So I said, wait, what? Really? It's that cheap? Yes, please. Oh my gosh, that looks sick. It's actually red in there, but okay. This is going to fill up so fast down here. How much money will it give me, though? Holy. Okay. Infinite backpack. Yeah, I think we're going to put the infinite backpack on. Bam. Can we rebirth? No? Okay. Well, I think... Actually, no. Yeah, I'm not going to. Alright. I was about to say, I think I'll end the video here. But no, guys. We're not ending that video. We gotta buy something with my Robux. Go there. Should I buy anything here? I think I'm good. Okay. Gear? No, I don't know what to buy. Oh, I know. Oh man, I know what I want. Oh man, I've been wanting this forever. Greenville. Wait, I have played this game. Okay. Oh, I almost have. Okay. I think I'll buy these two. Oh no, I need the electric vehicles, guys. Yay. I was about to buy the state patrol, but I want electric vehicles. Okay. Wait, what can we, what backpack could we buy? Wait. We can buy the magical fanny pack. But, we're going to rebirth. Bam. I love this so much, bro. Okay. Rebirthing is so easy now. Oh my gosh. And then nobody knows if you dig one way just one block this way. You come down to my secret lair. What's here? Practice room access? I don't play this game, so I'm not going to buy it. I was about to, though. I don't need this place. I don't want to sell my thing. Okay, how much is one sand? It used to be 60, I believe. Yeah, 60. Now it's 80. Okay. But we're going to play some Greenville. And yeah. Actually, should I have bought in the police game pass? I kind of want this. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you guys next time.